This looks real. I'm almost feeling myself right now. What's up, y'all? It's Riley, and I'm back with another banger. Happy New Year, happy holidays, New Year, same you, new year. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. Today I got something in store for you to kick off the new year, and sis, you see this on my head? It is a wig. Today I have another banging hair review on, you probably can guess it, a braided wig. Yes, if you have not seen this braided wig that is on my head, the review, the installation for it, go ahead and check that video out in the description box below, and I will link it above. But today is a whole new vibe. I will be reviewing the Braiding Bow Art 28-inch 13 by 7-inch lace front braided wig. This hair is 100% synthetic or Kanekalon, like your typical braided styles, and is 100% handmade. So, like my other braided wigs, I don't know, they all seem to be coming into this black packaging that has your standard wig cap along with lashes and golden jewels. Now, if y'all don't believe me that this is a wig on my head, y'all are about to be shook, okay? Look, it's a wig. It's a whole wig. And the same way that this wig is on my head right now, I don't have anything on it because I'm about to take it off, but usually I go in with one product to keep this bad boy on my head, keeping it natural, and I get to style it with clips, jewels, hair ties, all that. Just like it's basically box braids. No more waiting in the salon for hours. I don't need to know the tea about you and your man. So my beautiful ladies, this, my dear, is the wig. 28 inches. The one on my head is 30 for comparison. So this wig is the standard wig, in which that it has this awesome elastic band that is adjustable to fit all size heads. And it's got your standard clips in the middle of the wig and in the back of the wig cap. So it is a lace front only. And this is the style we're going for. We're going for the Fulani lemonade looking braids for the new year. So if you can't tell, let's just examine this wig. Y'all, look at the parts, look at the braiding. These braids are so fresh and crisp. And the lace is basically see-through, and look at these baby hairs. They give you a lot to play with, so we are really about to do some damage to this wig. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the installation. Okay, okay. First of all, yeah, I'm gonna probably wear it. First of all, y'all, what? Ooh, they about to call me Alicia Keys. Ooh. Okay. First thoughts. This wig is like the perfect density and length. And because it is cornrowed in the front, the wig itself is a lot less dense. It's a lot less heavy than my box braided wig, so I'm really excited to get this thing installed on my head. Okay, a little switch up. I had to come to the bathroom because there are more mirrors in here. So the first thing I like to do is put slits in the lace so I can cut it correctly. I gather all the baby hair, and y'all, first of all, look at that baby hair. And I cut directly down the middle. That way I'm making the lace pieces easier to cut. I feel like this eliminates room for error when you cut it in smaller sections. The hairline is a lot more neat when you do it this way, and you have room to make extra cuts and edits. The lace is so neutral colored that I'm I'm looking at it like, is this my hair? Okay, this is what we're looking like right now. We can either choose to seal down the wig on our heads, or for what I like to do, I have very thick sideburns, I like to go ahead and use this Got To Be Glue Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. I take a nice little glob and basically try to lay my sideburns kind of down, make them as flat as I can, so when I go in to lay the lace down, my sideburns won't be impeding its stick. Let that dry a little bit, and then we can go ahead and move on to personally my favorite part. So now I got the wig exactly where I want it on my hair. I then go in with the infamous, the most wanted, most reliable wig spray, I believe, hands down, that's not glue, the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, baby. Okay. Now, this stuff is like super sturdy, okay? It's screaming hold level, and this, put too much on it, that wig is staying on your head for days, and maybe that's what you want, but if you're like me and like take your wigs off often, then don't put too much. So, I'm about to spray it from about 6 to 8 inches, do a light little layer, and it's going to get over the braids. But to me, that's okay. A little light layer over the hairline. It will get over the braids, but I make sure that not an inch is missed. Because this is a braided wig and it's not very heavy, we can go ahead and choose to let it air dry. But for the purpose of being consistent, I like to use strips or a scarf to keep it held down. So I'm gonna go in with one of these. Might as well go in with the second. And bada boom, bada bing, we're going to wait at least 10 minutes to have this really set on my head, and then we're gonna come back and do the baby hairs. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take this off. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Am I fresh out the salon or what? So the last thing to do here would be to cut some baby hairs. Unless you like to wear your baby hairs long, then perfect. Like these are, they're like the little distressed tassel looking baby hairs that everybody's been wearing lately. I mean, that's not gonna be me right now. So let's go ahead. I think the best edge control for baby hairs is your traditional cream of nature, argan oil, like the hard, thick gels, or sometimes I use the Got To Be glue, but this takes a little longer to dry. So right now, something I'm trying out is the Arcani Coil Care Enthrode Edges. Now, y'all, I saw this on Instagram, and I'm gonna do a video to review it on my natural hair because apparently like this edge control is so good that it just stays on all like for 24 hours, like your edges don't lift or whatever. And the way you make it stay, you just keep rubbing it, and apparently like it just stays. And I like this because it's not very messy. It's a heavy but light hold, and it allows my baby hairs to be moldable, so I can do all the swoops that I need. All right. And voila, a 4 to 6 hour style done in 20 minutes. What are y'all thinking? I don't know about y'all, but this is definitely top 2 in my favorite braided wigs. So far, I've reviewed 4 of them. The knotless braided wig is my favorite thus far because it's so versatile. You can style it in so many ways. It's long, it's full, it fools everybody all the time when I'm out. But this one, y'all, Ooh, ooh, this looks real. I'm almost feeling myself right now. Wow. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and are loving this wig as much as I am, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe for good vibes, y'all. Subscribe. If y'all are really rocking with me, subscribe, join the channel so we can make this a little family. I will make sure to link everything that I use in this video in the description box below. If you didn't already know, this wig is from Amazon. It is my addiction. I'm not even gonna lie. I love Amazon. This wig is from Amazon. I will make sure to link it in the description box below. It does often sell out and then restock, so you gotta be quick when you find it, and if it's not available, don't be afraid to just save it in your lists and keep checking on it periodically because it will become available. Oh, I love this wig. Again, thank you for everyone that has subscribed thus far and that watches my content. It really helps your girl out. I'm trying to grow this channel. Hopefully we can get big growth this year in 2022. Of course, more hair videos to come and a few other exciting ventures that I have in store for the year. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one.